With today's simple build, I'm going to show you how to turn this into this. Hello everyone, for today's simple build, I'm making window valances for my wife. For this project, you'll need a couple of 1x10 boards, a curtain or material, a roll of fluff or foam filler, and some mounting hooks to hang on the wall. To start this build, I cut the boards to fit my windows. For this project, I needed two 38-inch boards and two at 27 inches. For the sides, I cut out 8 3-inch pieces to make a total width of 4 inches. I put pilot holes in all the boards before assembling. Originally, my wife found plans to build the boxes out of insulating foam, which probably works for some houses, but I wanted to make sure that they were dog-proof, since tennis balls frequently get bounced against the wall. So quick note on this, when you're doing project with wood, make sure that you look at the grain. You can see that it's kind of an arching piece here. I want to make sure that the grain is going down. And the reason for that is so that if this top piece right here had been turned the other direction, it'll curl up on you over time, and we don't want that to happen. By having it down this direction, it kind of keeps that wood compressed. Normally I would glue these, but you know, it's just going around the windows and nobody's ever going to see it. So we're up in my wife's craft room right now. We're going to go ahead and get started on laying out the material and the foam for these window boxes. You know, we've had these sitting in storage for I can't tell you how long. I think she bought them on clearance some time ago, maybe 2-3 years ago. And she's had this idea, and when I say she's had this idea to build these window boxes, I mean that she wanted me to build them. And we're just now getting around to it. So let's go ahead and knock this out. So the idea from this point is basically we're going to try to line up the box with the pattern on this material, because we want to make sure that all the boxes look the same when we hang them up in the living room, don't we, Oscar? Yeah. So we're going to go ahead and get started on this and see how it turns out. Alright, so I'm struggling with this corner here, mainly just trying to figure out how to get it in here nice and neat without tucking all the material in. So I'm thinking that if I just cut in and then fold it over, we should be good. just gotta share this real quick. Oscar is people watching. All right, one down, 3 more to go. Time to go get wife's approval. All right, so my wife told me when we were building these to make sure that I folded it over a good distance into the middle so that we didn't see the wood from underneath. But what I didn't count on was folding over the corners so that you didn't see these as well. So I'm going to unstaple these and put this piece on top. So always fold the ends over first, that way it stays hidden. So let's do that. All right, so this was supposed to be a one-day build, but here we are back on day 2. Forgot the fasteners, and you know, with everything going on right now, the lines at your home improvement stores, hardware stores are just ridiculous. So I ran to the local hardware store, got me some of these little fasteners, and we'll get these things hung up. To get these hung, I measured out the distance to the hooks and hung them on 2-inch wood screws. My wife is pretty excited to finally see them on the wall. If you found this build helpful, please give it a thumbs up. For more content, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications. Until next time, thanks for watching my simple builds.